Question number 3 says that the relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. So this is the data that we have. The first point asks us to construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88 and so on. The second point asks us which month or season do we think this data is about. The third point asks us what is the range of this data. So to answer these points better, we will first have to construct a grouped frequency distribution table. And as they have already given us that the class size is 2, because they have given us that the classes will be 84 to 86, 86 to 88 and so on. So we write that the class size for this data is 2. So we start writing the different classes. So we have the first class which is 84 to 86, then 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, 92 to 94, 94 to 96, 96 to 98, and finally 98 to 100. So now we will have to look into the given data and see how many days do fall under the different classes that we have made. So there are a total of one single day which is falling in the category of 84 to 86. Then again there is only a single day wherein we have the relative humidity within 86 to 88. So on we start filling for the rest of the class intervals, and so we get the frequency as for 88 to 90 to be 2. For class interval 90 to 92 as 2 again. For 92 to 94 we get 7. 94 to 96 we get it as 6. And for 96 to 98 we get it as 7. And finally for the class interval 98 to 100 we get it as 4. Now if we sum up the frequency, that is the number of days, we get a total of 40. So that tells us that we have not missed on any of the days. Now the observations that we make from this is that the relative humidity was 92% and above, and for a period of 24 days of the month. Since the relative humidity percentage is very high, it must be a data from a month of rainy season. So the answer for the second point is rainy season. Now the third point asks us to find the range of this data. Now range can be found by having a maximum value and then subtracting the minimum value from it. So the maximum value and the minimum value are to be taken from the given data that we have. The maximum value that we have, that is the maximum relative humidity in the given data, is 99.2 and the minimum is 84.9. So we subtract 84.9 from 99.2 and we get the range as 14.3. So this is the range of the given data.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.